Welcome to a new video. In this video, I am gonna teach you how to crochet this really cute no-sew rainbow that you can turn into a pin or a keychain or a hair decoration or whatever that you would like to use it for. To make this rainbow, you need some yarn. I'm using a cotton yarn called Karma from Cremke Soul Wool, but you can use any stash yarn that you have. This is a really good project for getting rid of some scrap yarns in your yarn stash. I am using blue, green, yellow, orange and red, but you can make this rainbow in any colors you like. I have made a pastel version, I have made a lesbian version, I have made a pansexual version, so you can just choose whichever colors that you prefer to make into a rainbow. You also need a crochet hook. I am using a 3.5mm crochet hook for this project, but use a hook that works with the yarn that you are gonna use, a pair of scissors, and if you are gonna make it into a pin, you also need some pins for the back and some really good glue, and you need as well a darning needle to weave in the ends. I am gonna go and find mine, which is somewhere, but let's jump right into the tutorial. On the first round, we are gonna crochet 7 chain stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. We are going to continue crocheting around this chain, starting from the second chain from the hook with a single crochet, a increase, a single crochet, a increase, single crochet, oops, and a increase, then we are gonna turn so that we get access to the other side of our chain stitches, and starting off from the same stitch that we made our increase, we are gonna make a single crochet, a increase, single crochet, and I am crocheting around the yarn end, which means we can just cut that off afterwards and we don't have to weave it in separately. So single crochet, decrease, single crochet, increase, single crochet and increase. So basically what we have done now is we have crocheted around our chain with 1 single crochet, 1 increase, 6 times in total. So you should now have 18 stitches. We are gonna continue by changing the colors. So I'm frogging the previous stitch halfway, grabbing the green, On the next round, we are gonna crochet 2 single crochets, 1 increase, and repeat that 6 times until we have 24 stitches. So single crochet, single crochet, and a increase. Let's change color to yellow. Okay, on the third round, we are gonna crochet 3 single crochets and 1 increase. Repeat that 6 times. So 1, 2, 3, and a increase. And repeat that 5 more times. And this is how the rainbow should look like after 3 rounds. It looks weird, but trust the process. Let's frog halfway the previous stitch and pick out the orange. On the next round, we are going to crochet 4 single crochets, 1 increase, and repeat that 6 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and a increase. Let's switch colors to the red, which is our last color. Okay, now here's where the magic happens. We are gonna fold our rainbow. Just ignore the other yarn ends for now. You can pull them to the left of your rainbow if you want to. And we are gonna crochet together this masterpiece by putting everything to 2 rows of stitches and crocheting through. We are gonna crochet 5 single crochets, 1 increase, and repeat that 3 times. Like this. And before moving forward, cut off all the extra yarn ends that we don't need anymore. And before moving forward, pull in each of these yarn ends because that will make this color change segment nice and tight. And then we just tuck them inside our rainbow like this, and continue crocheting together the rainbow. And we're done. Cut off the yarn. And then we have one last thing to do, and that is to weave in the yarn end. This is how it looks like when it's done. Isn't it adorable? Now you can go ahead and attach a keychain to this rainbow, or a pin backing, or just a thread is also working if you want to attach it to, I don't know, for example, your Christmas tree or your bag. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like and comment something below. The algorithm seems to like that kind of stuff. I can't wait to see how your versions of this rainbow is looking like. So if you are making it, please tag me over on Instagram, for example, with Garnknuten, so I can follow along on your projects. Happy Pride, everyone, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!